Let's make simple but yet delicious goat meat pepper soup or light soup recipe. Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing all good. So in today's video, as I said, I'm making this super delicious goat meat pepper soup or light soup recipe, which you're definitely going to love it. So all you have to do right now is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Next, I'll start by cooking my vegetables, which I'll be using for the soup. So I'll be using pepper, carrots, onion, fresh tomatoes, garden eggs, and I'll go in with enough water to cook this very well. Kind of feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. Now after about 10 to 15 minutes, we are back to check on the vegetables, and this is how it looks like. It's looking super soft and ready. So now let's set this aside and we're going to blend it off camera. So whilst that is going on, let's go ahead and steam our goat meat. I've really washed this goat meat very well. So I'll season my goat meat with some blended garlic, ginger, and some onions. And to that I'll also go in with some meat seasoning powder. Next I'll also go in with a little bit of salt to taste. Moving forward, I'll go in with some tomato paste as well. Feel free to use only fresh tomatoes if that is what you want. I'll go in with enough water. I'll cover and allow it to steam until the meat is nice and juicy. And so after about 10 to 15 minutes, this is how our goat meat looks like. It's looking super good and perfect. At this point, the stock on the meat is still very light. I'll give it a very good stir. I'll cover for about 10 to 15 minutes for the stock on the meat to thicken up very well. Alright, so now we are back after extra 10 to 15 minutes, and this is how our base looks like. It's a little bit thick right now and it's just perfect, just the way you see it on your screens right now. So next I'll go in with my blended ingredients which I cooked earlier on. As I said, feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. Okay, after going in with the blended ingredients, I'll also go in with enough water to make it more light. The consistency of your soup always depends on how light or thick you want your soup to be, so add the water according to how you want it. Now let's give everything a very good stir, and once that is done, I'll taste for salt. If the salt is not enough, I'll go in with a little bit more salt to my taste. Okay, now let's cover it and allow it to cook until the soup is nice and ready. Now whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now I've been cooking the soup for approximately 30 to 40 minutes now, and as you can see, it has really reduced in size very well, and that indicates that the soup is nice and ready. Now all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. I'll be enjoying my soup with some cocoyam fufu. You can enjoy with any fufu or any swallow of your choice. At this point, if you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, kindly give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you in my next upload. Bye.